Hey, what's up, her money one holder? This is the latest update, her money coin, my friends, to what's going on in this current time. Let's start this brand video, my friends. But before I start this video, I request you, my brother, please click out the subscribe button and press bell icon for videos notification, because this is very important to you. Subscribe this channel and press bell icon. My friend, I get started this video. Okay, you can see here this time the last 7 days chart is I already opened it, and this is the first week of this month. So you can see here, my friend, and the start of month they completely fell us down, my friends. But don't fear, this is absolutely all crypto market as falls down in the start of month. So there are two big reasons, my friend, and the reason is that the first reason is that, my friend, to people starting selling now in the start of month, especially at the end of month, people starting selling now. So at the April end days, my friend, people starting very highly her money coin as price very badly decreased now at the end of this month. You can see here at the end of month, my friends, the price is going up, but definitely after people starting investing, starting selling, then their price goes down and the price is decreased now, and the change occurs in negative. So definitely, my friend, therefore this is the big reason, my friend, of this spell. And the second reason is that, my friend, to pupils cannot investing and pupils cannot hold it, and pupils starting selling, especially short time investor, my friend, are starting selling in those days because he want a short profit. Therefore, my friend, they starting selling now and they cannot hold it. So therefore, my friends, they completely falls down. So the second reason is that. So my friend, if we check out the last 1 hour chart to what's going on in the last 1 hour, then we understand to this time they move up, and this is the start now in the second week of this month. So I hope, my friend, in the second week they move up like a rocket. Yes, definitely, you can see here, my friend, and the second week of this month absolutely moving up like a rocket, and I hope they hit at $1 if they're moving like a rocket in the second week of this month. This is just the start of second week. I hope they give you a very good profit and they're moving up like a rocket. So this time you can see here $0.1, 0.12 at $369 is the latest price, and the chat S plus 2.28% moving up. So I think definitely this is very good profit and very good change occur now. So I hope, my friend, if they're moving up like a rocket, and this time absolutely they give you very good profit. So please hold it to them moving up like a rocket. Please hold it, don't sell it, and wait for a good time. Thanks for watching. Please like this video, subscribe this channel, and press bell icon for videos notification.